Peace, peace, peace. You see dead people, I see divergences. We are not the same. Confluence is king. Let's see if we can find it. Happy April Fool's Day. Apparently we're going to the moon. Cool. Yesterday's video, I said I would like to see this bottom line get confirmed as support. Then we're going to be looking at 69K. Then we're going to be looking at this diagonal supply line dating back to the ultra top. I don't know where that came from. I guess I don't care for now. But that's what we're looking for. And then I would like to see 72K get confirmed as support, and then a break of 74-ish, 75-ish, and get confirmed as support. And then, and only then, may we actually have a chance to get to fill a gap on Bitcoin futures at 84,500. Is what it is till it ain't. For now, on Bitcoin, it has recaptured the channel. We have gotten a reaction right at the line. I mean, you can't make it up. Sir, I drew a line. I don't know why the price action didn't respond. Now we're looking for 69K to break. I'm going to put an alert at 69,444. Basically, it would be a break of 69 and this diagonal supply line, short-term downtrend in a channel. Let me put that on the 4-hour. Bam. Okay. I mean, almost have some hidden bearish divergence. Nope, it's just convergence. Well, ideally we'd want to see a 4-hour candle close above this bottom line of the channel. It's back in it. It's a good start. Ain't over till it's over, kid. Let's go to Ether, bro. I mean, sir, I drew a line and the price reacted to it. Like to see a daily candle close above 2100. Like to see a serious breakout and see my 22 and 2300 alerts go off. My phone blows up all day. If you can look in the bottom left hand corner, every time one of those goes off, my phone goes off. You can turn it off, bro. It's not that big of a deal. ETH, we're gonna wait for that. And then, if we see that, maybe we'll get something like that on a lower time frame, maybe on the daily, I don't know. Maybe we'll take a good shot at it, you know? But for now, I mean, it's a lot of chop, a lot of news. Crypto doesn't even move anymore with the news, so I mean that's why I expect another leg down. But you know, they could pass the Clarity Act tomorrow and the whole world FOMO's in, and you know, Moon Boy's gonna be Moon Boys. I've been more of a chart guy. Bitcoin dominance just in a downtrend locally. Kinda just looks like this, right? Well, here we are again. Cool. Maybe we'll break out, retest. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin dominance, but it's been a long, long, long road of chop. Chop. What do you know about chop? Get the lewds. What movie? Put it in the comments. Or don't. ETH.D. I mean, this thing actually looks nice. It's just making higher lows. Getting some higher lows. You know, you could put a parabola here. maybe it'll just respect it. We'll leave it there. It's cool. It's just analysis, bro. Don't get mad. I don't know what's going to happen. Like I said, there's a lot of chop. I'd rather wait for some stability and some certainty of which direction the market could be going. Excuse me. I got an alert up above at 11.5%. I thought I saw that getting triggered. No, maybe I was wrong. Maybe something else was 11.5. Oh yeah. It was stablecoin dominance. Well, this will be the deciding factor for stablecoin dominance. Looks like today is the day. Stablecoin dominance is retesting at the moment, and we got a reaction. Sir, I drew a line. I don't know why the price didn't react. Well, in this case it did. What's the white line is 11.083. Let's look left. Why is it marked? I don't fucking know. Weekly maybe? Yeah, I probably just did it in a... I don't know. Let's get rid of it and move on. Doesn't matter. We want to see a daily candle close over 11.2, really. But, you know, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. The problem is this stablecoin dominance is the opposite. It's the inverse of the crypto market. So, you know, if you look on Bitcoin, you see the opposite of that, right? We see lows, lower highs. You go to stablecoin dominance, we're looking at lows and higher highs and higher lows. And well, this could be the retest I've been speaking about. You know, it's just analysis. Anything could happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Could lose it, come back in and drop again, you know. We don't know what's going to happen. We're just looking for an edge in the market. I mean, this is a possible retest. Here's my thesis as to why I could expect some downside in the crypto market. This is a descending triangle where you have the same lows and lower highs. And then we had a breakdown. We came back into the pattern, so that's a possible false breakdown. And now we have a breakout and a possible retest. Okay, well, a descending triangle is a bearish pattern. Statistically, it should break to the downside. But it was a false breakout and we retested the bottom. False breakouts can have serious consequences. So we chop around and now we broke out and now we're retesting. And if this starts to get followed through to the upside, you're looking at a bearish pattern that should statistically break down, which broke back into the pattern, and now it's a bearish pattern breaking out the opposite way against the probabilities. It could get bad. I don't know that it's gonna get bad, but if this thing gets followed through and it plays out with a false breakout and a bearish pattern breaking to the upside instead of the downside, I mean, parabolic moves can happen. Just saying, be careful. That's it. I mean, it's almost like I could put a third white bullish circle right there and lock it. I don't know that the price is going to react to it. These circles are just me trying to predict what the price action is going to do. Technical analysis is supposed to be used to find places to manage risk appropriately, where you find a bottoming pattern or a topping pattern at support or resistance with some bearish divergence, turning a 50-50 of up and down into a 70-30 or better. You're still gonna lose. Trades are gonna fail. Of course they're gonna fail, bro. If this was easy, everybody would do it. But I put these circles in for me. I just want to see if I can predict. Don't pay any attention to them. But the white ones I'm trying to predict bullish, and the orange ones I'm trying to predict bearish. What else? I mean, totalitarian needs to break back into the pattern. I had a bearish circle here because of this possible retest of 2.3 trillion, and we still haven't got back into the pattern. So I mean, I'd actually be all right if it did drop with my bearish circle. That's all. I'd still be proud of that bearish circle if it actually dropped, even though the price action has gone higher. The talking heads are manipulating markets with their bills and their tariffs and their wars. Total 2, I had a bearish circle here, which is the opposite of stablecoin dominance. We have an ascending triangle breaking to the upside, false break up, back in the pattern, now a breakdown, and now we are trying to retest it bearishly. If this gets followed through, we have a bullish pattern breaking out to the upside. Just kidding. False breakout, serious consequences. You see this pattern? I've said it before. I'll say it again. See this pattern on Bitcoin? False breakout, right? Ascending triangle, false breakout, back in the pattern, bearish retest, false breakout of a bullish pattern, serious consequences. Well, I mean, just from that bearish retest alone, we lost 30-something%. I'm not saying that's going to happen. However, it kind of looks the same, so, you know, just be cognizant of it. It could happen. I don't know that it will. Let's look at the DXY. Man, that bearish divergence is playing out. Sorry, I haven't been getting out posts in my Discord. I've been sick for 5 days. Yeah, I got Discord, bro. Post shots all the time. Bam, bam, bam. If you're a llama and you want in, let me know. No problem. No problem. We got stocks, we got index, we got Mag 7, we got commodities, we got trade setups. I mean, trade setups have kind of sucked lately because the macro sucks, but whatever. No fresh shorts, no fresh longs right now. Very, very hard to gauge which way the market's going to go. I got beats. I got a DowJonez Substack at DowJonez. 10 subscribers. I'm on a come up. Dows are 420.69 on Twitter. I'm on a come up. You know the come up, stack, get right, put the gun up, laugh, get nice, put the blunt up, pray the blue and whites don't run up, remain humble. You see the change when the range comes through, when all that fame ups your game because your name's mumbled. The chicks notice Jules is like hypnosis. It's ferocious when broke, cause get focused. I mean, this thing could probably drop at least back down to 98, 91, 5. And then maybe, oh, maybe, just maybe, you'll have a possible double top. And then we'll look for a breakdown and a retest and the measured move of a double top. Measured move of a double top is from the bottom to the top. And then when it breaks, you would put it there. But it's not confirmed until it happens. So we're going to take it one step at a time. Got our reaction at the red line, all those arrows. I mean, it's a major inflection point locally. I don't know about, you know, overall. This is an uptrend that's been happening since 2008 on your dollar. Yeah, I gotta clean it up. Who cares, bro? It's my chart. I do what I want. But, I mean, the DXY seems to be getting some downside. We'll have to watch and see how it reacts to 98,915. That's it. Bearish divergence for the win. And a false breakout. I mean, you would think it was going to break out. See that there? Well, there's another one. It got even higher too. Okay. I mean, we're nearing a possible inflection point, so we will monitor that. I'm going to put an alert on that. Just leave it. Cool. Let's go to the Dow. I mean, we broke a supply line, and now we're looking at a possible gap fill. So, once it gets to this gap, I already have an alert on it. Great minds think alike. We'll reassess. You know, we lost the 200. I mean, look where we reversed. What was resistance becomes support. Resistance. Support. And we definitely have a gap down here now. There are gaps lower. So, short squeeze maybe? I mean, nothing's really changed. You had bullish divergence, so I mean, a move to the upside isn't crazy. We've been going down for so long. I mean, it's not crazy. It's not crazy. A daily candle close, I guess, above the 200 would be great. We just need some follow through tomorrow. Don't ever forget that. What was resistance becomes support. Now we need to see like a higher low come in, maybe to mimic, not mimic, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. If you're smart, you understand what I'm saying. Maybe we'll come back down like that, fill the gap, and bounce. Bounce. Come on, bounce. Everybody in the house with a half an ounce. We just like music, TA, hip hop, jam bands, good people, and beach vibes around here. I mean, we're back above on the SPY. We filled this gap. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. There are many above. 1, 2, kind of 3. I mean, it almost got filled, but whatever. We'll leave it there. See what happens. Gonna have to mark this gap here. But, you know, it's a possible support for now. Excuse me. Still sick. A little better. Gotta watch that 200 on the SPY. Also, you know, could run it up, fill those gaps. Regard 674 as resistance again, and, you know, gotta watch out for that. It is an inflection zone. One piece of data at a time. Apparently, Mr. T is coming in on all the TV networks for his address tonight. It's too bad I don't watch TV. I don't know what he's going to say. I do care because it will influence markets. NASDAQ, the nasty NAS. Gap filled. Double gap fill. You are the weakest link. Goodbye, good day to you, sir. You got many gaps ahead. You got a supply line ahead. You got the 200 ahead. You got the red line ahead, you got the orange line up ahead. I mean, a lot of work to do on the nasty NAS, I'll tell you that. But you know, the Dow came down and retested old resistance as support. I mean, I would not be surprised if that happened. But one day at a time here, one piece of data at a time. Russell futures, I mean, this thing actually looked the best out of all of them. It's still in the channel. Start breaking this supply line here. I mean, we can talk, bro. Still above all that old resistance. Okay. See what happens. I mean, it looks like you got a confirmation low, right? 1 and then 2 with divergence. Okay, building a case for the Russell. This is the daily. I mean, the RSI has been diverging into the price action. You could take a shot. Russell actually looks good right now. Okay. We will be looking for these to be reaction areas. Ideally, I'd like to see that. Maybe even that, because it would flip all of it. The supply line, resistance. It would break the neckline of the double bottom right here. I mean, we'll see what happens. We're going to be here, baby. It's what we do. Definitely don't like that price. Too many sixes. What else? What else? What else? Let's go to gold, bro. The only thing I'm worried about on gold is a bearish retest of that bottom line. The only reason I have this orange line is because it's the fib extension, the 4414. I mean, look at the 2618. You got such a little bull flag, a little teeny weeny high and tight bull flag at the 2618. And then at the 3618, yeah, you got a little action, but man, on a long term time frame, high time frame, the weekly, I mean, gold just put in a lower high, a lower low. Gotta be careful of a bearish retest right here. The retest is usually the safest place. It does not happen all the time. But when a pattern, any pattern, breaks and the retest is where the biggest group of buyers or shorters, sellers, bulls, bears, whatever, and pigs, mostly not pigs, they're waiting for that. It is confluent with the 4414 and a bearish retest of this bottom line of the channel. Sure, it could break it and go right up to 52.25. But for now, I mean, that would be the level to be watching. The measured move of the pattern. Bam, bam, was reached. Perfect, awesome. Now we're waiting for new data. That would be a reaction as a bearish retest as far as my analysis goes. Silver. You got a break of a supply line and a possible retest of that orange line. Turn it red just to show you. you know, we got some action there. You know, the price has reacted there. Boom, boom, boom. Zone. It's not perfect. I mean, there could be some short-term upside for silver. Be watching 79.15 and 84 because of that. And then you'd be looking for 90, 93, and then you'd be looking for blast off mode. So we'll see what's going to happen. Let's look at Bitcoin to gold to Bitcoin. Gold to Bitcoin, still got a measured move of a possible head and shoulders, lower at a gap fill, but you know, I had a bearish circle in here as a bearish retest. We did get some bearish price action, but you know, getting back above this, bam, that'd be a nice white circle right there. Has not happened yet. But this is gold paired against Bitcoin. You're trading gold priced in Bitcoin at 7 million Satoshis, basically. Not basically, it's what it is. Silver to Bitcoin on major breakout watch. Silver looks like it could pop against Bitcoin, which, I mean, Bitcoin is just waiting on a 69K break, and silver is starting to move as we speak. I mean, critical metals should be watching for a breakout of 968 or 924 anyway. 968 would be a good alert. Things are happening. If it gets above it. Pretty much a zone. Color that in. Got to break that 200 first. Maybe come down, fill a gap. Bam. I got an alert down here. We'll see what's going to happen. Whatever. USAR. Lost the key level. What's MU doing? Whoa. Yeah, we got some action. I'm going to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. If you find value in my analysis, I really appreciate you tuning in and dealing with my sarcasm and dry humor and all that fun stuff. Don't forget I got a Substack at DowJonez. I am on a come up. Dowser42069 on Twitter. I'm on a come up. Got a Discord that I don't want anybody in yet. But I love y'all motherfuckers. Peace, love, and llama. Beverly Hills Cop. Close, but no cigar. Peace, love, and llama.